Welcome back to my channel, everybody. It's Leah with skinBEAUTIFUL, and today we'll be going over my March favorites. I love doing favorites videos because you guys get to see what I'm doing behind the scenes. For me, it's just a really fun video because I kind of get to show you guys my own personal taste in products and makeup and things that I love. So I love sharing with you guys a little bit more about me. I have like 6 or 7 products to go over with you guys, and I love all of them so much. So I'm so excited to show you my March favorites. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I love candles, like love candles so much. I've enjoyed candles for a really long time. I don't buy a lot, like I will literally buy only a few a year because for me to spend money on a candle, I have to love it. I have to love the scent, and it's almost like a experience for me. Like when I light a candle, I feel like it is legitimately an experience. So for me, finding candles that I love usually doesn't happen all that often. And then when I fall in love with one, I am like hooked. So I was perusing Pinterest one morning and I stumbled across a company called Tiny Bandit, which is out of California. They're a small business, which since I'm a small business, I can totally feel their passion for their craft because I feel my passion for my craft. And I don't know, I was just so excited. I was blown away at everything I saw on Pinterest. I went to the website and I purchased this beautiful candle. It is the crystal candle in moon milk. So I never personally thought I would be a crystal person, but I don't know, over the years I just love like products that come with these crystals. I love like the idea of energies. And so anyway, before you guys think I'm crazy, this candle, like crystals alone, it's gorgeous. Like it comes in this beautiful box with the logo on the lid. But I am telling you guys, this is the best smelling candle I've ever smelled in my entire life. It is absolutely a beautiful, beautiful smell. It smells like coconut oil, it smells like tanning oil, it smells a little of amber. It is such a just romantic, relaxing smell, and I don't even have to light it. I have not lit this puppy yet, and I am so glad because usually you have to actually light the candle to smell it. I've been sitting this out like in whatever room I'm in, and I'm not even lighting it because the aroma that's coming off of this candle alone like is all I need. So definitely if you are a candle lover like I am, or just love the idea of like this something that somebody thought of and made on their own, and you want to like just experience this beautiful smell, I definitely want you guys to check out Tiny Bandit. Okay guys, so you know how much I love cleansers. I'm a super picky cleanser person, and I'm a picky eye product person. So I of course had to try the new holifrog, which we now carry on skinBEAUTIFUL, and I'm like so proud to carry that line. They are such a beautifully formulated product. They are not a medical grade product, but they use clinical research to formulate their products. They're all pH balanced, which is so important to me and should be important to you as well. A proper cleanser that's pH balanced is an essential part of your routine. If you are not using a pH balanced cleanser, then honestly everything that's layered on top when you get out of the shower or get done washing your face will not penetrate or work as well. I do find it very important to have a milky cleanser in my routine because I am sensitive, I am rosacea prone, so I will always keep my Fitglow milky cleanser in my routine. I did add in this Superior Omega Gel Wash. I love gel cleansers. They are my personal favorite, and this has been such a wonderful product. I've really enjoyed it. It wipes clean, it rinses clean. I get all of my makeup off with it. It hasn't caused any issues, it hasn't dried me out, and it hasn't caused acne. It doesn't make my face really tight or squeaky, which is such a terrible thing. If your cleanser makes your skin tight or squeaky, throw it away immediately. But yeah, I've totally loved this cleanser. Again, this is the holifrog, and I have used 2 of their other cleansers, which I'll tell you guys about in a later video. But yeah, this is perfect. It is a pH balance at 5.5, so it's perfect for your skin, and I've been loving this. So if you want to switch up your cleansers, want to try something new, I highly recommend one from holifrog. First I was like, what is all this hype about? And now I see why. It deserves all the hype. These cleansers are fantastic, and I'm a huge cleanser fan, so I have been loving using all their products. I don't think I could do a favorites video without talking about lip products. Lip products are my thing. So these are the new MDSolarSciences lip balms, and these are SPF 30. It comes in nude, red, and pink. So definitely first, year round you should be using a product on your lips that has SPF, but it's really important in the summer when you're actually outside. So this is great to reapply every 2 hours, and it's still like a fashion statement. So these are really beautiful. So this is the pink, which is my favorite. You can see. So if you like pinky nudes, you'll really like the nude in this. I find it to be a bit pinky, and it's really, really pretty, very pigmented for a balm. Now the red is extremely pigmented, so if you like a red lip, you'll like this product. If you were thinking that, oh, maybe I'll try this because I don't like a big vibrant red lip, you won't like this. It is super pigmented when it's actually on the lips, and it is really, really red. So I personally am not a red fan, so I did not like this one because it's just too much red for me. But the nude and the pink are beautiful. But again, if you are a red fan, then you'll love the red lip. So there those are. So they're super hydrating, they are protecting, and they actually just feel really good. Your lips will be hydrated when you use this product. Not only hydrated, but protected from the sun. And of course, with any SPF, it doesn't matter if it's OTC, it doesn't matter if it's medical, it doesn't matter if it's a lip balm or a spray on, you should always be reapplying every 2 hours. So the next product came at the perfect time since we're all staying home and really doing new things to make ourselves feel beautiful and confident. These came, and this is from ColorStreet. I recently got my nails removed, and I was like, okay, this is perfect. I have my nails removed, but I still want them to look good. Or these ColorStreet 100% real nail polish strips. So I wasn't quite sure how good I would be at applying these nail strips because I'm terrible at like painting them. And this was so easy, and they actually looked like real. Like I went to the salon and they did my nails and did like art on them. I was like blown away at how good they looked. I did get the petite nails, which I'm glad I did because the regular would have been way too big. So if you have like little thin like piano fingers like I do, definitely consider the petite before you do the regular sizes. But these lasted like over 2 weeks. It wasn't like real nail polish where it chips like within 24 hours. And these looked so good. Even my husband commented, and I've said this in many videos, for him to notice I've done something is pretty huge. So I love these. Like I said, it came at the perfect time. But definitely a fun thing to do at home. If you're a guy and want to do some bonding time with your young daughter, these are so fun. But if you're like me and you want to look nice, you want to look presentable, but you're terrible at doing your own nails, so easy and looked real. I just painted my nails, which is not the purpose of this product, but I got these translucent glitter strips, and I thought it would look so good on top of actual nail polish. So I'm super excited. I'll be doing that once I get done with this video, and maybe I'll put them on my Instagram. So if you're not following, follow me. Okay, the next product I'm going to talk about is the Marc Jacobs Recover. This is their hydrating coconut lip oil. And with the new lip balms, I still wanted to have like a little bit of shine. So I got this Marc Jacobs, and you can see like how much I've been using it. I've already like dyed the tip hot pink because I love my hot pink lip. So this is a super high shine product, which is exactly what I wanted. I like a lot of shine. So if I'm using a matte lipstick or like the lip balm, I just pop this on top. It is still extremely hydrating, so between these two, like my lips are covered on hydration. But yeah, it's not sticky, it's not like a real thick product, but it's also not real thin. It's like the perfect consistency and really hydrating. I really love this. I like a lot of Marc Jacobs products, so I figured I would like it. But this is in, again, the Kissability, and I think it comes in 2 or 3 other colors, but I just got the clear since I was just using it mainly for the shine aspect. I do have to reapply this like once an hour, which is fine for me. I don't mind doing that, but yeah, this is super great. If you're looking for a coconut lip balm, lip gloss with a lot of shine, you'll really, really like this product. I feel like I'm blowing through these favorites. The next product is the new Sigma Beauty Warm Neutrals palette. So while it is a neutrals palette, it has some glitters, it has mattes, it has pinks, it has purples. nudes. It is so beautiful. This is like one of my favorite palettes. I've been using this in a ton of videos. It's actually what I'm wearing right now. It can create a normal look and create a dramatic look. No matter what type of look you're going for, this palette will have you covered. I use a lot of Rogue, which is this color. I use a lot of Russet, which is right here. And then I use a lot of this soft pink, which you may not even be able to see. That is beaming, and it is beautiful. Like, all those together create like my perfect eye look. So I've loved this product so much. If you have not checked out the Sigma Warm Neutrals palette, you're going to be so happy. You can thank me later, but you're going to love it. I know I told you guys in a recent video, I just switched off of the BioPel Daily Serum Growth Factor, which I've been using for years, to the Neogenesis Skin Serum. And I try not to make my favorites videos about skincare because I do so many skincare videos, and I kind of just want to make these really fun and show you guys other stuff that I love. But I had to tell you guys about the skin serum because I have been loving it. My skin loves it. You guys know I struggle with a lot of inflammation in my skin. I have rosacea. I'm easily sensitized. The inflammation and redness in my skin has improved so much. But not only that, like, I can see a difference in my skin. Like, I do use a lot of products. I've been using medical grade products for over 10 years. A lot of people don't know my age, which I love that. And sometimes, you know, for somebody who's taken really good care of their skin, it's a little hard to see those changes that products can do because your skin's healthy. Like, I don't have a lot of fine lines, knock on wood, thank God. I don't have too much laxity for my age. So for me to find a product that gives me results within 2, 3, 4 weeks, changes in my skin that even I can notice, having healthy skin is really, really fantastic. And I can see a change in the redness, I can see a change in the laxity, I can see a change in the lines, and I love this. I do use this product every day. And I do also use the recovery. I only do 1 drop. So 1 drop with the skin serum once a day. And then I'm just so floored with how my skin's responded. So I did want to tell you guys about that because a lot of you have asked if I'll do an updated routine, which I will absolutely do for you guys. But the big change that I've noticed with the products that I've been using is implementing the Neogenesis Skin Serum and the recovery. And boy, am I happy, my skin's happy. So I did want to tell you guys about that because that's definitely a March favorite. Okay, you guys, so that was all of my March favorites. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed hearing about what I have been loving over the last 4-6 weeks. And thank you guys so much for being here with me. I love you all so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.